Welcome to the best RAM for Ryzen 5 3600 video. This is your go-to guide on what you should be looking for when picking out the right RAM for your computer. I will help you find the perfect set of memory sticks that match your needs without breaking the bank. I'll also add the links to discussed RAMs in the description, you can check them for more information and the latest prices. Starting our list with GSkill Trident Z Neo series. GSkill provides premium quality memory products and it is no secret, and their Trident Z memory series is usually considered to be the premium standard for what a good DDR4 memory kit should be. It doesn't matter if you are looking for an affordable memory kit or a high-end memory kit, you will be able to find something that suits your needs from GSkill. GSkill Trident Z Neo is packing the same fan favorite profile with a nice looking two-tone color scheme, along with specifications that are aimed to maximize the Ryzen 5 3600 processor's performance. It has a very similar profile to the GSkill's Trident Z and Trident Z RGB series RAMs. The overall shape of the RAM sticks has not been changed. It has the classic brushed aluminum heat spreader on one half of the RAM stick, while the other half has a nice silver finish to it. It has a 3600 MHz clock speed and low latency CAS16 timings at 1.35V, which is considered to be ideal for Ryzen. The RAM also maintains the same build quality that you would expect from the Trident Z RAM. Not only that, but it is also one of the best looking RAM sticks that are available in the market, and that too at a reasonable price. This RAM is equipped with one of the best RGB lightings that are available in any RAM kit. It gets evenly lighten up and even spans the lights with an aesthetic pattern, and there are no cutoffs at all. If you are a fan of RGB, then that must be appealing to you. The only downside to it is that this RAM does not provide the users with any Ryzen specific benefits. Although it has been fine-tuned for the Ryzen processors, it works fine with the Intel processors too. However, Ryzen processors do take advantage of the frequency and the timings, but that's how far as it goes. The GSkill Trident Z Neo is one of the best memory kits that are available in the market. If you simply want a good RAM kit that provides you with excellent performance, has decent RGB lighting, and solid build quality, then this is the one you should choose. You won't be disappointed. At number 2 it's Corsair Vengeance LPX. One of Corsair's main high-performance DDR4 memory is the Corsair Vengeance LPX RAM. It is specifically designed for compatibility with the latest AMD and Intel processors. It will help maximize the Ryzen processor's performance. Vengeance LPX DDR4 lineup of memory sticks has been in the market for some time now. If you choose to go with Corsair's RAM, you will be able to get great value and a huge selection to choose from. It is certainly one of the best RAM kits that are available in the market. Although it doesn't have any RGB lighting or LED lighting on it, it sure packs some great features and excellent performance. Furthermore, it is equipped with a low-profile aluminum heat spreader, which is available in 4 different colors. Also, it has a memory frequency of 3000 MHz, which will certainly benefit the Ryzen processor to get the best performance out of it. The best thing about this RAM is that it is one of the affordable options. It is compatible with most of the motherboards that are available in the market today. Its heat spreader has kind of a rib symmetrical design. The black and blue RAM sticks can pretty much go with any system and with any color theme. The reason is that the black color is the safest color as it can easily blend with any color theme. It can't be overclocked properly beyond the 1.35V voltage. Not a lot of people are aware of this, but if you are thinking about manually overclocking the RAM, then this is something you should keep in mind. On the basic side, the Corsair memory is more durable and preferred by many enthusiastic PC builders and consumers. Vengeance LPX has been the most selling DDR3 memory back in days, and thus the reason behind its popularity. Corsair has shipped and made a lot of units, so their consumers can avail much of these. Also in the DDR4 PC, Corsair Vengeance LPX is one of the best RAM that is available in the market. That too, at an affordable price, and it is compatible with most of the motherboards. It will provide you with more performance than you need. At number 3 it's Patriot Viper 4. For starters, the company Patriot is one of those companies that is found to offer great value products. This does not take away the fact that they are known for manufacturing some of the finest memory kits that are available in the market. We picked the Viper 4 due to the reason that it is one of the best RAMs in terms of performance and is praised by almost everyone for its amazing speed. This RAM is equipped with a very nice and attractive heat spreader design. It also provides the users with a good amount of overclocking headroom if they want to overclock it. You will find this RAM to be very excellent when it comes to achieving a high overclock rate. Also, it comes with a warranty, which is something that you should be aware of as most people don't know much about it and how useful it can be. That being said, probably the only issue that you may also find with this RAM kit is its green PCB. It is something to cut the cost a bit, but speaking of aesthetics, it doesn't look so good. Patriot has always been a consumer's option for entry-level and budget crises, whether it's the SSD, RAM, or a pen drive. Patriot has served its clients with the most affordable yet appealing products. At number 4 it's Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro. The Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro from Corsair has a brand new lighting module, and the new light features a more addressable lighting array that allows it to display more complex light effects and also integrate with Corsair's IQ system, which magnifies the lighting effects to a whole new level with app and game integration, and it still provides the users with an easy way to sync up the lighting with the other Corsair products. Although it may seem very similar to the original Vengeance RGB RAM on the outside, but it has some major differences on the inside. It has a more stylized top area near the light bar with little diamond-shaped holes to give it an aesthetic look. And the DIMM itself is the same height, the light bar on top is certainly more exposed and bigger. It is still positioned as a mainstream option. The main highlight of this RAM kit is its RGB lighting on top. That is because many of the users would consider getting this RAM kit just from an aesthetic standpoint due to its bright RGB lighting on top. Most of the RAM kits that have RGB are intended for gaming, so their performance will also be excellent. Although speeds above 3200 MHz don't provide much of a significant boost in performance, if the user needs it, it is there and you can overclock it. Corsair has managed to advance its tech very well with its IQ software that provides a great interface when customizing the new RAM kits. The other effects and app integration are also pretty useful for those who are running a Corsair platform. Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro is an excellent memory kit option overall. Corsair is known for providing users with an excellent mixture of better performance and great aesthetics. So, this RAM kit ticks all of the boxes for the performance seekers out there. At number 5 the Kingston HyperX Fury. Kingston is quite well known as the largest independent manufacturer of memory kits. Here we will be talking about their HyperX Fury memory kit. Kingston is one of the leading gaming brands for memory modules. It is best for those who want a RAM kit that has the solid build quality and provides excellent performance. This RAM is known to be pretty stable, so you will not be able to run into any issues when it comes to performance. It has its signature asymmetrical Fury design with a low-profile heat spreader. Its corners have a very satisfying look, as the cutting-edge design makes it even more stylish. Since black PCB is becoming a norm for the gaming RAM modules, the HyperX Fury features one. Even though it has a simple design, but they look very stylish. This RAM offers great value, it also comes in different color options. It also comes with Kingston's warranty, while you also get a good amount of overclocking headroom. It has a great affordable price, which is appealing. It doesn't mean that its performance is not up to par. It has one downside though. It lacks the XMP profile which is a bit concerning. But it is one of the best RAM kits that are available in the market for great performance at an affordable price. And with that we come to the end of our review. We have listed the most popular RAM kits in this video, and we hope you can easily decide between the kits after watching the video.